A great deal of software engineering is planning for or reacting to change. With a breaking change, it is safer and saner to plan for change than to react to it after the fact. Consider a breaking change made in Spring, where the setReadTimeout method was deprecated and ultimately replaced. We can use the find method usages recipe to know the breakage blast radius in advance of upgrade. How we proceed with that upgrade could differ dramatically depending if there is one usage of the deprecated method or 1,000. To use this recipe, we fill in the fully qualified name of the class the method is declared upon. In this case, HTTP Components Client HTTP Request Factory, a Java name if ever I've seen one, followed by the method name and argument list. Within the argument list, I use ... as a wildcard to mean any number of arguments of any type. And if you're at all confused about filling in one of these method patterns on the Moderne platform, you can click this button to open the method pattern wizard, which shows you each of the elements I've just described individually, so that you don't need to memorize the method pattern syntax yourself. The results show us that on this grouping of repositories, there are only 2 usages of this method remaining across only 2 repositories, a very manageable and now known quantity. So if you're tired of Friday afternoon changes coming back to haunt your weekends, use advanced type attributed code searches on the Moderne platform to know the impact in advance.